Press it, hey Chris.
Alright, Chris, I'm on 6.
Go.
You got it. Hold up. Hey, no, Chris, throw a frag at him. Here, throw a frag. Bring it clear. Get out in the window. Don't go yet.
They're all in the respawn.
Sure. Alright, take it down. Chris, want bands?
Up to you. Cross it.
Up.
They're all in the respawn.
Hey Matt, how's it looking down there? Hey Chris.
Yeah. Go. They're even spawning? Right there. Window. Watch the window. Got your cover, go. Go for it. Yeah.
Want to get frag kill?
He's out the corner.
I'll cover you, get frag out, right?
Hang on. Let's move.
Don't blow up their kids. There. Ow.
Did you get him? Go. Let's go. Which way do you want to go?